Second taste. Fantastic. You know, guys, this is freaking crazy. So I was digging in my freezer to see what I had to cook for you guys. You're not gonna believe what I found. I have a picanha here, but I just can't believe what I paid for it at the time when I bought it. I bought this maybe 6 months ago. You gotta see this, guys. You guys catch that? Hopefully. 112 bucks. Are you serious? What was I thinking? Crack this bad boy open with my Kuma knife. The marbling on this bad boy. There's a sticker in here. It says MB67, our purest Wagyu cuisine. What I want to do is just clean this up a little bit. Just go ahead and take off some of this fat. Not too much, just a quick clean up. Take off maybe some of the silver skin right here. Just get your knife and run under the meat. You don't want to take off the meat, just the silver skin itself. Something like that. It's pretty good. It's just a simple, quick cleanup. See the silver skin? It's pretty thick right there. Just run my knife right under that silver skin. How far does it go? Man, look at this. This is silver skin, guys. Take it off. Especially in a cut like this. You'd be chewing for days. As far as the fat cat goes, this is where the flavor is at for the picanha, guys. Flavor bomb. You know how we always say cut against the grain so you get the most tender bite, if you will. With the picanha, we're gonna cut with the grain, and when we finish, we're gonna cut against the grain. So let's go ahead and cut into some steaks, and I'm gonna put this on the canca. So go something like this. Look at that marbling, insane. So I don't want to get them too thick. This is about maybe a ½ inch, if you will. You can cut them whatever thickness you guys want. I want a quick cook, so I'm kind of cutting them a little thin. So let me explain really quick. So we cut with the grain, right? So when we put this on the skewer like this, we're gonna cut against the grain when we serve our tacos. So this is what it's gonna look like, just like this, guys. It's gonna go on the canca grill. Beautiful steaks, guys. More than happy with this crazy marbling that we got going on. All I have here is the cooling rack. We're gonna season this bad boy. I'm gonna use kosher salt. I'm gonna go ahead and dry brine these steaks. We're gonna cook this for dinner, so we're gonna just hit it with some salt. You already know I'm gonna use Uncle Steve smoke bomb. This is for extra savory flavor. I just want to dust these, not too much, just enough to get some of that good flavor, because I want the picanha to shine through, but at the same time, this smoke bomb, freaking incredible, guys. Go ahead and just pat that in real quick, and we're gonna do the same on this side. All right, guys, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. I'll see you guys tonight. Look at the marbling, guys. Is that incredible or what? All right, guys, stick around. This is going to be my attempt to make chimichurri. Never had it before, guys, but I hear it's really good on picanha, so this will be my take on it. I did see a lot of recipes how to make it, so I'm just getting a little bit from everybody, but this will be my first time making it. So I got some parsley, and we're gonna chop this very fine. I think that is pretty good right there. Put this in the mason jar. Then I have a jalapeno. I mean, you can add whatever you want as far as your spice level. We're gonna go ahead and just add one, cut it in 4s, then finally mince it. Now I got some lime. We're gonna zest some of this into the chimichurri. That's pretty good in there. Then we're gonna use the juice of 1 lime as well. And then I got some red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Add our 3 cloves, Then we're gonna add some kosher salt. Nice tablespoon. This is the olive oil I'm using here. You can use whatever olive oil you want. That's why I always say, put some good olive oil. At least 1/4 cup of olive oil. A quick shake. Get everything incorporated, nice and mixed up. Chimichurri at its best. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this marinate for a while. This was gonna be for our steaks, for our picanha. That's gonna be in a few hours at least. I put this in the refrigerator and let this chill out. All right, guys. So this is the next day. Check how deep and red that is. So this is their true tell sign that the salt penetrated the meat. It's exactly what we're looking for. Look at this. All right, this is ready to go on the canca. I do have my Weber already preheating with some red oak. Let's just go ahead and put this on the canca and we'll be ready to go. Pretty simple. All you do is gonna bend your steak just like this. I'm gonna go right in. Be careful not to poke your hand right through. It's pretty simple. Just like that. Beautiful, guys. All right, guys. I'll see you guys outside. Let's put this on the grill. All right, guys, these bad boys are ready. This only took 25 to 30 minutes. I was temping at 140 and I know they're overcooked. This is the way we like it. So my wife requested a little bit more well done, if you will. So we're gonna take these inside, let them rest, and we're gonna see how this tastes. So this is gonna be absolutely fantastic. I already can tell the fat looks really rendered, really good, guys. And this is self-basting at its best. The canca always does a fantastic job. Once again, canca is not sponsoring me. I bought this with my own money, but I highly recommend the canca, guys. I've done brisket, I've done pulled pork, I've done so many things on this canca. You guys have seen the videos if you guys have been following my channel. Let's take this meat off, let it rest. We're gonna dig right into it, guys. I cannot wait. Stick around, guys. We're almost ready. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let that rest. 10-15 minutes and we'll dig right into it. Let's go a little bit right here. Oh yes, cuts like butter, guys. Cuts like butter. Damn. Look at this. Not bad, right? Not bad. Just go for a quick little taste here. Oh my God. Freaking fantastic. This does not get old. Damn. Look at that. Not too bad, right, guys? Not too bad. Remember in the beginning, we were cutting with the grain. Now we're cutting against the grain. Damn. This is the way we like it. Perfectly cooked. It's a medium well for sure. Look at that. Look at how juicy that is. Don't squeeze the meat. Damn. Chimichurri, picanha, chimichurri. Tasting it for the first time. Cheers. Fantastic. Freaking chimichurri is outstanding. If you guys have not tried chimichurri, outstanding, guys. Don't sleep on this one. Damn. All this time I've been missing out on chimichurri. Damn, this is insane. If I would change anything, I'd make it more spicier. That's it. Well, gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Jumping. I'll catch you guys on the next one.